guys, and welcome back to Nicole House to Home. I am just showing you guys a little clean with me today. It's birthed over the time when we were sick. So we went downstairs too much, so we didn't have too many dishes. But once I came downstairs, I would wash the dishes up and then put them up or whatever, go back upstairs and probably lay back down. So last week the kids was out of school, so we really didn't do too much around here. We cooked a little bit, we danced a little bit, we pranked on each other a little bit, and that was that. So when my husband came home, by me laying in bed all day, we had to get up and shake the sheets because Mr. Ishmael will break out if anything is on his back or whatever. So yeah, me and the boy was in the bed eating all day, just me and Carlos eating and watching Blade or whatever the kids watch. I wasn't really watching it, I was asleep, but he was watching YouTube Kids. So yeah, so we had to get up and shake all the sheets before we could lay down that night. So after this day, I think I just took all them sheets out and washed them, because from all the coughing and the germs that we had accumulated in the sheets, we had to just get these things washed. Yeah, so that's how that went. So I think I'm going to show you one more day of cleaning, and this probably the time when I had my sheets downstairs washing. I was up here just decontaminating the TV room, because if we went in my room, we was in the TV room, so the germs were everywhere. So yeah, I was just taking a Clorox. Right here I'm sweeping, but I had to sweep all up on every couch or whatever. And then I'm taking my Clorox wipe. I'm going to take my Clorox wipe and just wipe down this whole couch and vacuum the couch out, because we had to get rid of the germs. I even took the Clorox wipes and went down the wall, and you're gonna get to see all that, even though it's in fast motion and the camera went blurry. So that is me cleaning with the Clorox wipe, just cleaning the pillows and stuff down. And then I'm gonna take the vacuum cleaner and I'm gonna vacuum inside of the couch. This is decontaminating the house, trying to get all the sick out the house, make sure all the cold and the flu stuff is gone. So that's about what we did all week. Just try to decontaminate the house and try to clean as best we could, so we would not pick back up on that cold. Like if you touch a wall, somebody don't sneeze in, then the cold will come right back. So that's what we was doing, just decontaminating this house, cleaning out the all the stuff, the dust and everything. So yeah, that's what we did the whole week. See, so there go the Clorox wipe there, and I'm just wiping the whole couch down, cleaning the couch out. This couch I already had been cleaned out, so I'm kind of like cheating you guys. The little couch was the one that wasn't really cleaned out, but this one was. And then, but I still wiped it down with a Clorox wipe, trying to get just all that stuff out of the house, all the nastiness that cold brought. And also, since we had been eating on them couches also, so it was a lot of junk in there, like a lot of cheese, a lot of tater chips, hot fries, stuff like that in them. So yeah, I was just cleaning all that stuff out of there, and then getting all the dust particles and stuff with the Clorox wipe. And then I came back with the camera had went off. I came back with the Lysol spray and just sprayed the couch down again. So yeah, we're just trying to get rid of this cold out of this house. I don't know how many times I said that, but yeah, that's what we doing. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Please be blessed. Yeah, have a great one, and that's about it. That was that day, that was that week, because you know, like I told you, it was just little silent increments. Like I jump up and do something, then I get so tired I lay right back down because of that cold. That cold was a beast. I never had anything like it. Bye bye.